What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be attempting to black house my headlights, so that should be interesting. Hopefully I don't mess up, but if I do, you guys will be here to see that. Today I'm gonna try to film a video without the dead cat on it, which is this thing. And let me know how the audio sounds down in the comments below. Someone's calling me. Hello? Stupid bad lighting, but who cares? What sucks is I have to take off these carbon fiber eyelids I just put on, and the yellow tint, which I just did too. Yeah, this is how the car looks right now. So as I was taking off the carbon fiber eyelids, kind of cracked it. It's my fault, I put too much 3M on it. Well, looks like time for new ones. Alright, y'all, I just took apart the headlights right now. Took a good minute. Oh my god, it's so annoying, but here they are. Got all the wires out of it. Took out all the screws. The only wire that's gonna stay is the one for the LED, like the 4 LED lights on the corner. It's the only one that's gonna stay. Here's all the lights. And yeah. About to go throw them in the oven right now. Finally got the headlights out of the oven and took them apart. It's pretty damn hard. I recommend having at least 2 people with you. But yeah. Now to take apart this thing and that thing. We should be good. I disassembled the lights, took off everything I need to paint, and yeah. Finally. Here it is. This is the look I'm going for the whole light. This paint I'm using. Alright, y'all, just did the second coat. About to do the last one. It's coming out pretty good. I'm no professional at this, so I don't expect it to be perfect, but it's pretty good. Can't see it on camera anyways if I messed up, so yay! Not gonna be able to install the headlights today. Sunlight's running out and these parts still need to dry up. I already touched a couple of them and put my fingerprints on it. But yeah, here are the headlights. I put the top piece on already because I was getting impatient and I wanted to see how it looks. Sick as fuck. I'll probably continue this video tomorrow. Just wanted to give a huge shout out to Slow ZZ. I don't know if you guys follow him on Instagram, but I don't think I would have made this video. Nah, not this video. I don't think I would have even done the headlights if it wasn't for him. I seen his video, him doing it, and I was like, you know what? I'll try it out too. He helped me out a lot, answered a couple of my questions I needed, and yeah, thank you. Alright guys, right now I'm heating up the headlights again. This one's already heated up, but I'm gonna throw it in there again just so it's fully sealed no cracks, no nothing. After that, I'm gonna be rewiring the headlights up and they should be good to go. Wiring the headlights is not so hard. Everything's already connected, just plug and play. Headlights all done, time to wire it up, and yeah, should be it. Here's a shot of the 350.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all